Thank you very much.
Tamang-tama lang yung dating ng aking guest.
There's only you in my life, the only thing that's right.
My first love, you're every breath that I take, you're every step I make. I want to share all my love with you. No one else with you. And
Your eyes,
they tell me how much you care. 'Cause no one can deny this love I have inside, and I give it all to you. My love,
my love,
my love, my endless love.
Tonight I celebrate my love with you, and the midnight star is gonna come shining through. Tonight there'll be no distance between us.
What I want most to do is to get close to you. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. Tonight.
Come on, Sheila.
Do you hear me? I'm talking to you across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Come on, Sheila.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been what I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Clap your hands. All right. To all the couples tonight, I'm happy all of you are
And I
here.
wonder if I ever cross your mind. For me it happens all the time. It's a quite a love to run. I'm all alone and I need you now. Said I wouldn't come, but I lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now. I just need you now. I need you now.
Yan. Alright, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Para ma-inspire naman kami.
Meron bang mga ano dyan, way back into love, yung kayo dati pero nagkabalikan? Di ba? Sino may mga ano dito? May ganong love story? Meron ba?
Asa na partner niya? Ayun. Been living with the shadows overhead. I've been sleeping with a cloud above my bed. I've been lonely for so long. to move.